In this video, I will show you how to add extensions in Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Extensions are a great way to add productivity tools as well as different extensions which can help with your internet browsing experience. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser, come across to google.com, and in the Google search box go ahead and search for the Chrome Web Store. What you then want to do is click onto the top result. This is going to take you to the official website, which should be chromewebstore.google.com. From here, come up to the top left hand corner and you're going to see a option for extensions. Give that a click. This is going to take you to the extensions page. Now what you can do if there's an extension you're looking for in particular, you have got a search box at the top which you can use to search for different extensions, or alternatively from this page you can browse through the different extensions available. If you look to the left hand side, there's also a menu with different categories, for example productivity extensions, lifestyle, and so on and so forth. Now to actually go ahead and add these extensions to Google Chrome, what you want to do is find the extension that you want to add. For example, let's go ahead and select this one, tab resize, and then what you want to do is click onto the extension to be taken to the extension page. On here you can find out more information about the extension, including reviews from people, so you can get an idea of how the extension works. And to actually add this on the extension page, you're going to see a blue Add to Chrome button. So all you need to do is simply give that a click. Then you're going to get a pop-up like this, where it's going to ask you to add the extension. What you want to do is click the Add Extension button, just give it a minute or two to install, and that's going to add that to Google Chrome. Now from here, what you can do, the extensions button is in the top right hand corner. So next to the address bar, you've got this kind of jigsaw puzzle piece, which has extensions. Give that a click, and it's going to list all your extensions. From here, what you can do is click onto Manage Extensions, and you're going to find all your different installed extensions. And what you can do from here is enable or disable extensions by clicking onto the switch, the radio toggle button here, to turn them on and off. You can also click to find out more details about the extension. And if you no longer use extensions, there is also a remove button here, which you can click to remove extensions. So that is how to add extensions in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.